Hello student, now in this video we will start exercise 2.5. Its question is solve the following linear equations. Solve the following linear equations. First one is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Same as previous, in this also we have to find the value of the variable. So firstly we will combine all the variable together and all the constant together. Okay, for that x by 2 first of LHS will remain here same. It will call the right hand side x by 3, but that is here in the positive, so it will comes here in the negative, so it will become negative x by 3 equal to 1 by 4 was already there, so it will come as it is. Here negative 1 by 5, when it will go to another side, so negative will change into positive, so 1 by 5. Now on the left hand side we will do the cross multiplication of x by 2 minus x by 3. So after doing the cross multiplication, 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x and 2 3s are 6 is equal to same as it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Same we have to do the cross multiplication. 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, here 3x minus 2x is x by 6 equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. Okay, here 6 is in the division, so it will go in the multiplication. So 9 into 6 divided by 20. Here we can reduce 20 and 6 each other, because 6 and 20 both are coming in the table of 2. Like how? 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. Okay, now x value is 9 3s are 27 and 10 will remain same. So it is the answer of our first one. This is the solution of first one. Here is the solution of first one. Question number 2. Question number 2 is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. In this question we have all n, like all variable at one place, so there is no need of shifting variable and constant to each other. But here in this question we have different denominator every place, like n by 2, here 3n by 4 and here 5n by 6. For that, for getting the same denominator, firstly we have to do the LCM. So LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So you know how to take LCM. Here I am showing one more time, 2, 4 and 6. All the number firstly will go through 2. In the table of 2, 2 comes one time. In the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times. In the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times. Now again we have to start with 2. 1 as it is, 2 1 is 2 and 3 as it is, because 3 will not go with the 2. For the 3 we have to go with 3. So 1 1 and in the table of 3, 3 will come 1 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM of 2, 4 and 6? It's 12. It's 12. Now we can write every place as a 12. If every place is a 12, so its common denominator we can also write in the form of 12. Okay, now here we have n, but in the denominator what we have? We have 2. तो 212 कब बनेगा? 212 कब बनेगा? When we multiply it by the table of, we will read the 2's table how many time? 6 टाइम. तो अगर नीचे 6 से तो ऊपर भी किससे? 6 से. ओके, नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट नंबर, बिकॉज 2 6 आर 12, नीचे 6 से करा तो ऊपर भी किससे करना पड़ेगा, 6 से मल्टीप्लाई. फॉर द नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 12 कैसे बनेगा, जब हम किसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4 के टेबल में 12 कितने टाइम्स में आता है, 3 टाइम्स में, तो नीचे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 3 से, तब जाकर 4 क्या बन सकता है, 12. अगर नीचे 12 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर भी किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 3 से. सेम एज इट इज़ इन द नेक्स्ट वन, 6 के टेबल में 12 कितने टाइम्स में आता है, 2 टाइम्स में, तो अगर 2 से नीचे तो 2 से ऊपर भी. ओके, सो डायरेक्टली आई एम राइटिंग हियर 2 6 आर 12, 4 3 आर 12, 6 2 आर 12. Every rational number have a 12, so we combine all the denominator like in the form of 12. We are not writing it differentially. So 6 into n, it will become 6n minus 3 3s are 9, or then remaining n as it is. Then 5 2s are 10, and the n is same to same, is equal to 21. Okay, now here plus minus. So what we have to do? We have to do the minus. 9 minus 6 is 3, but how? Negative, because 9 is the bigger number. Negative 3n plus 10n as it is. Okay, here 21. In the denominator of the previous step we have 12, because 12 is dividing the whole terms. So this dividing term we will convert into the multiplicative term into the opposite side. So 21 into 12. Okay, now minus plus minus. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and n as it is, 10 is the bigger number, so its symbol will come. Here we have 21 into 12. I am not multiplying it here, you just see why I did not multiply. Okay, here 7 is in the multiplication, so it will change its side by the division. How? Like 21 multiply by 12 and it will come here in the division. अच्छा, अब अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर देते तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर बड़ा टर्म होता, तो बड़े टर्म को 7 से डिवाइड करते थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता, लेकिन यहाँ पर हमको डायरेक्टली दिख रहा है कि 7 की टेबल में 21 कितने टाइम्स में आएगा, 3 टाइम्स में. सो नाउ n की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 3 12s are या 12 3s are 36. So our second answer is n value is 36. This is the answer of second one. Question number 3 is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Again, in this question also we have to combine all the x term at the one place and all the constant at different place. So here we have x, so this x will remain here same. Okay, after x we have 7, so 7 is the constant that will go another side. After this, same at the LHS we have negative 8x by 3. In the opposite side, let me check the x place also. In the RHS we have one more x term, that is negative 5x by 2. When it will comes to LHS side, so it will come in the positive 5x by 2. Minus change होगा plus में, equal to in the RHS side. We have 17 by 6 as it is. इसके अपोजिट साइड से 7 हम छोड़कर आए थे क्योंकि 7 क्या था, कांस्टेंट था, सो इट विल कम हियर एज इट इज. बट हाउ, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव था तो अपोजिट साइड जाएगा तो किस में जाएगा, नेगेटिव में. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 1, 3 and 2. Why? Because here x have the denominator of 1, 8x have the denominator of 3 and 5x have the denominator of 2. So 3 and 2 LCM is 6. I am doing directly. Okay, 6. 1 की टेबल में 6 कितने टाइम्स में आता है, 6 टाइम्स में. तो नीचे 6 से तो ऊपर भी किससे करना पड़ेगा, 6 से. तो यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा, 6x माइनस 3 की टेबल में 6 कितने टाइम्स में आता है, 2 टाइम्स में. तो 3 2s are 6 होगा. सो 8 2s are also we have to do. 3 2s are 6, तो 2 से नीचे तो 2 से ऊपर भी. सो 8 2s are 16x प्लस एज इट इज 2 की टेबल में 6 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 3 टाइम्स में. सो 2 3s are 3 से नीचे तो 3 से ऊपर भी. सो 5 3s are 15x इज इक्वल टू, हियर वी हैव टू डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 7 के नीचे क्या है? 1. सो 17 1 इज 17 माइनस 6 7s are 42 and 6 1 is 6 as it is. now प्लस माइनस लास्ट वाले टर्म को अब इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. फर्स्टली वी विल डू द फॉर द स्टार्टिंग टू प्लस माइनस माइनस. सो 16 minus 6 is 10, but who is the greater number? 16 is the greater number, so its symbol will come minus x plus 15x as it is, and in the denominator we have to write 6. okay, equal to plus minus minus, we have to do the subtraction. 42 minus 17, it's 25. 42 is the bigger number, so its symbol will come. Now divided by 6. Now minus plus, again we have to do the minus. 15 minus 10 is 5x. okay, equal to, यहाँ पर 6 डिवाइड में था तो अपोजिट साइड किस में जाएगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. सो नेगेटिव 25 विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. ये 6 कहाँ से आया? ये वाला. और नेगेटिव 25 के नीचे वाला 6 एज इट इज. सो शुड आई कट दिस 6 to 6? yes. here 5 is in the multiplication, so it will go in the division, and when we divide negative 25 by 5, its answer is negative 5. so our third solution is x value is negative 5. Fourth number question is x minus 5 whole will divided by 3 is equal to x minus 3 whole will divided by 5. तो LHS का डिनोमिनेटर जाएगा राइट साइड में. कैसे? यहाँ पर डिवीजन में था तो यहाँ कैसे जाएगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. और राइट हैंड साइड का डिनोमिनेटर जो डिवीजन में था वो अपोजिट साइड जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. कैसे? यहाँ से 5 ऊपर आया तो ये आके बेटा 5. पूरी होल टर्म क्या थी? x माइनस 5. अब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का 3 ऊपर जाके बैठेगा तो कैसे बैठेगा? ऐसे 3 इंटू होल टर्म. ओके, नाउ 5 इंटू एक्स इज 5x माइनस 5 इंटू 5 इज 25 इक्वल टू 3 इंटू एक्स इज 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9. Now we will combine the x term and the constant term at one place. So 5x will call 3x, but how it will come? It will come in the negative. Here negative 9x will remain same. Negative 25 will go in the positive. Okay. Then 5 minus 3 is 2x, minus plus minus 25 minus 9 is 16. Here 2 will divide 16. 16 will divided by 2, and the 16 will divided by 2. Its answer, x answer is 8. This is the solution of fourth one. Question number 5. In this question, in the left hand side we have 3t minus 2, the whole will divided by 4, minus 2t plus 3 will divide, whole will divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. For it, the LCM of left hand side is 12. Okay. So in the table of 4, 12 comes 3 times. तो इसकी टर्म में किसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 3 का. माइनस इन द टेबल ऑफ 3, 12 कम्स हाउ मेनी टाइम? 4 टाइम्स. तो इसकी वाले टर्म में किसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 4 को. ना वी हैव टू राइट देयर टर्म्स. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 3t माइनस 2 एंड द सेकेंड टर्म इज 2t प्लस 3. is equal to, here this 2 by 3, here we have to do the cross multiplication. At the denominator of t, what we have? 1. So 1 2s are 2, minus 3 into t is 3t, whole will divided by 3. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9, t as it is, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Minus 4 2s are 8 and t as it is, 4 3s are 12. Okay, but minus plus will become here minus, the whole will divided by what? Same as it is, 12, equal to 2 minus 3t as it is, will divided by 3. Okay. Now 90, now we have to see the tt term. 90 minus 80 is only t minus. Now minus minus is plus, minus 6 minus 12 is plus, so it will come negative 18 because 12 is the bigger number, so its symbol will come, divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 3. नीचे के 2 को अपोजिट साइड ऊपर पहुंचाएंगे और यहाँ के 3 को अपोजिट साइड ऊपर पहुंचाएंगे. कैसे? 3 इंटू टी माइनस 18 is equal to 12 into 2 into 3t. Okay. Now 3 into t is 3t minus 3 into 18 is 54 is equal to 12 2s are 24 minus 12 3s are 36 and t as it is. Okay. In the next term 3t will call t term. Here 36t is in the negative, so it will come in the positive, so it will become positive 36t is equal to 24. This negative 54 will go in the opposite side. How? Positive 54. So in the left hand side 3 plus 36 will become 90 is equal to 78. Here 24 and 54 will become 78. Now 39 will divide 78 like in this form. So what will the t value will come? T value will come 2. This is the solution of fifth one. T value is 2. Question number 6. M minus 1 whole will divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So we will send the m term of right hand side, like this whole term we will send to opposite side. So whole term will go how? The opposite of minus, that is in the plus. So it will become, how it will become? It will become m as it is minus m minus 1 by 2 as it is. Minus will change into the plus. So m minus 2 and divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now when we take the LCM 2 and 3, the LCM is 6. In the table here we have 1. In the table of 1 6 come 6 टाइम, तो यहाँ पर किसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 6 का. फर्स्ट टर्म में माइनस. इन द टेबल ऑफ 2 6 कम्स 3 टाइम्स, तो ऊपर वाले नेक्स्ट टर्म में किसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 3 का. प्लस in the table of 3 6 comes how many time? In the table of 3 6 comes how many time? 2 times. So here we will multiply by 2. Now we will write each term. First term is m, next term is m minus 1 and the last is m minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Now 6m as it is minus 3 into m is 3m. Now minus 3 into 3 3, but one thing also is there, minus and minus will become plus. 2 into m is 2m and 2 into 2 is 4, but how? Plus minus is minus is equal to 1. यहाँ का नीचे का 6 कब कहाँ जाएगा, ऊपर, अपोजिट साइड, बट कैसे, इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, now we will take the m term together, like 6m minus 3m, it will become only 3m plus 2m plus what is remaining, last is 3 minus 4 is remaining, that we are doing at the end. Okay, m को पास में लिया है. 1 6 are 6. now 3m plus 2m, it's 5m, it's plus minus is minus, so minus 1 is here, 6 is here. now यहाँ से नेगेटिव 1 को अपोजिट साइड पहुँचाएंगे तो कैसा बनेगा, 6 प्लस 1, 5m एज इट इज. यहाँ से m को नीचे पहुँचाएंगे, सो व्हाट, सॉरी 5 को नीचे पहुँचाएंगे तो क्या बचेगा, अकेला m. ओके, सो ये आ गया 5 नीचे, बट ऊपर क्या आना चाहिए, ऊपर आना चाहिए 6 प्लस 1 इज 7. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ m? m's वैल्यू इज 7/5. So here is the solution of sixth one. This is the answer of sixth. M value is 7/5. Question number 7. Simplify and solve the following linear equation. Seventh is 3 into t minus 3. So how it will come? 3 into t is 3t minus, as it is 3 into 3 is 9, is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. So 5 into 2 is 10t plus 5 into 1 is 5. Now we will combine the t term together, like 3t will call opposite side t, here positive t, 10t will come here in the negative t, like negative 10t is equal to, firstly we have here 5, so this 5 will call opposite side constant term, that is negative 9. Negative will come here in the positive, like positive 9. Okay, plus minus is minus, plus minus is minus, so 10 minus 3 is 7 t, but not only 7, it's minus 7 because 10 is the bigger number. 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, here negative 7 will go opposite side in the division, so 14 will divided by negative 7, and the t's value is negative 2. So this is the solution of seventh one. Its answer is t's value is equal to negative 2. Question number 8 is 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 whole is equal to 0. So 15 का मल्टीप्लाई y minus 4 में होगा, 2 का मल्टीप्लाई y minus 9 में होगा, बट नॉट ओनली 2, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ऑल्सो अ माइनस सिम्बॉल, प्लस 5 का मल्टीप्लाई y minus 6 में होगा. कैसे देखते हैं, लेट्स सी. 15 into y, 15 minus as it is 15 into 4 is 60. Okay, this is the first term. Now for the next one, I am not putting here any symbol. Let's see which symbol will come. 2 into y is 2y, but कैसा, minus into plus is minus. Now 2 into 9 is 18. So which symbol will come? Minus into minus is plus. Plus 5 into y is 5y, plus 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 symbol ही आएगा. Now plus into plus, plus 5 into 6 is 30 is equal to 0. Now we will go through with the all the y term together, like 15y. इस वाले ब्रैकेट में हम y की सारी टर्म रख देंगे. इसके बाद कौन सी टर्म को बुलाएंगे हम? इसके बाद हम बुलाएंगे नेगेटिव 2y को सिंबल के साथ में. उसके बाद हम बुलाएंगे पॉजिटिव 5y को. सो कैसे आएगा? नेगेटिव 2y पॉजिटिव 5y. ओके, अब क्या क्या बच गया? अब बचा हमारे पास सबसे पहले नेगेटिव 60, फिर बचा प्लस 80, फिर लास्ट में क्या बचा? प्लस का 30 इक्वल टू 0. सो इन द ब्रैकेट 15 माइनस 2 इज 13y. लास्ट वाली टर्म को भी हाथ नहीं लगाया. 5y एज इट इज माइनस 60. Okay, minus plus is minus 60 minus 80 is 18 is 42, but negative will come because 60 is the bigger number. एंड अभी लास्ट वाली टर्म को हाथ नहीं लगाया, जैसे कि 30 एज इट इज इक्वल टू 0. हियर 13 प्लस 5 इज 18y माइनस माइनस प्लस minus, so 42 minus 30 is 12 and 42 is the bigger number, so it symbol will come and is equal to 0. now negative 12 को हम अपोजिट साइड पहुँचाएंगे तो वो कैसे जाएगा, पॉजिटिव में जाएगा. सो 18y is equal to 12 and these 18 negative 18 sorry multiplicative 18 will go opposite side in the division, so 12 will divided by 18. we will reduce it by the table of 6, so its answer will come, y value will come 2/3. this is our answer. so this is the solution of 8th one. y's value is equal to 2/3. question number 9 is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So in the first bracket we will multiply by 3, in the next one we will multiply by minus 2, and the RHS side first bracket multiply by 4. Let's start. 3 into 5 is 15z. Here I am writing z like in this form because this z sometimes it looks like 2. Okay, minus 3 into 7 is 21 minus 2 into 9 is 18z. okay, minus plus minus. now 2 into 11 is 22, but how, minus and minus will become plus, minus and minus will become plus. opposite side 4 into 8 is 32z minus 4 into 13 is 52 minus 17 of opposite of outside of bracket remain same. okay, now we will go with the z term in the left hand side. okay, so 15, here we have 15 minus 18z, 15 minus 18z, so plus and minus, here 15 is in the here plus, so it's negative 18 is it here in the minus, so plus minus is minus. so 18 minus 15 क्या होगा, 3 होगा, but who is greater, bigger number is 18 is a negative, so negative 3 will come, so here negative 3z. okay, we are doing directly here, not shifting the digit. okay, now the negative 21 and positive 22, minus plus is minus, minus plus is minus, so 22 minus 21 is 1, बट 1 कैसा आएगा, पॉजिटिव आएगा या नेगेटिव आएगा, पॉजिटिव आएगा बिकॉज 22 इज अ बिगर नंबर, सो हियर पॉजिटिव 1. इन द अपोजिट साइड 32z रिमेन सेम, माइनस 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 इज प्लस, so 52 plus 17 is 69. 52 is the bigger number, so its symbol will come. okay, now we will combine the z term together place, minus 3z as it is will remain here, 32 will come here, so positive will come here in the negative, so negative 32z. here negative 69 remains same, positive 1 will go opposite side in the form of minus, here minus minus is plus, but how, negative, 32 is the bigger number, so 32 plus 3 is 35z is equal to minus minus plus, but negative will come, 69 is a bigger number, so 69 plus 1 is 70, here minus to minus cut. Now 35 will go opposite side in the denominator, so 70 will divided by 35. Now if we reduce by the table of anything like 5, 7, anything we reduce, or we can directly reduce by the table of 35, so 70 will divided by 35 how many times, 2 times, so its answer is 2. So this is the solution of 9th one. Question number 10, it is the last question of exercise, is 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 multiplied by 10f minus 9. So here we have to multiply decimal, we have to multiply decimal term with the whole term. Okay, should instead of these we will go through with the decimal and decimal term? Yes, we will go. How? I am just going directly with the decimal to decimal. I am not going with the minus 4f minus 3 and 10f minus 9. Just for the few minutes we are leaving it. Like here 0.25 is it here in the multiplication. So अपोजिट साइड अगर इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे तो वो कैसे जाएगा? डिवीजन में. तो वो डिवीजन में क्या उसको इस तरीके से रख सकते हैं 0.05 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.25. यस और नो? यस, हम उसको ऐसे रख सकते हैं. अच्छा, इसके ऊपर काम करेंगे तो कैसे काम होगा? नीचे से डेसिमल हटाया, नीचे से अगर हम डेसिमल को रिमूव करते हैं तो डेसिमल कैसे लगा था? डेसिमल लगा था 1 2 प्लेस छोड़कर क्या लगा था? डेसिमल. अच्छा, अब यहाँ से डेसिमल हटाया तो ऊपर उसके बदले कुछ लगाना पड़ेगा. तो कितने ज़ीरो लगेंगे? 1 2, क्योंकि 2 प्लेस के पहले ज़ीरो लगा था तो 2 प्लेस के पहले से डेसिमल हटाया तो ऊपर कितने ज़ीरो आ जाएंगे? 2 0. ओके, नाउ अब यहाँ से डेसिमल हटाएंगे तो यहाँ पर डेसिमल कहाँ लगा था? 1 2 प्लेस का. बिल्कुल ध्यान से 1 2 प्लेस छोड़कर डेसिमल लगा था तो उसके बदले हमको अब यहाँ का लगाना पड़ेगा 2 0. नाउ अब हमारे पास टर्म क्या आ गई? हमारे पास टर्म आई है 500, बिकॉज आगे के ज़ीरो कोई काम के नहीं होते हैं. सो 500 और नीचे क्या आया है हमारे पास? 2500. सो 00 to 00 cut, and in the table of 5 1 is 5 and 5 5s are 25. So what it will come? It will come 1 by 5. Okay, so what is the remaining there? 0.25 को नीचे पहुंचा दिया था तो यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा है? 4f माइनस 3. यहाँ पे भी क्या रहेगा? 4f माइनस 3, बिकॉज हमने इसमें कुछ भी नहीं करा है. क्या रहेगा? 4f माइनस 3. यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा था? 10f माइनस 9, सेम एज इट इज 10f minus 9 as it is. Here also 10f minus 9. Okay, now we have the one more thing is 4f minus 3 is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 10f minus 9. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे 5 डिवीजन में है, इसको अपोजिट साइड किस पे पहुँचा रहे हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. लाइक 5 इंटू 4f माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 10f माइनस 9 equal 5 into 4 is 5 4s are 20f minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 1 into 10f minus 9. Okay, okay, now we will combine the f term together. So 20f, what will come here from the opposite side? What will come here? Negative 10, because 10 is it here in the positive. सो माइनस 9, नेगेटिव 15 उस तरफ जाएगा तो किस में जाएगा? पॉजिटिव में. सो पॉजिटिव 15. ओके, नाउ 20 माइनस 10 इज 10f इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस इज माइनस, प्लस माइनस इज माइनस. सो व्हाट विल कम हियर? 6. ओनली 6 बिकॉज 15 इज द बिगर नंबर. सो पॉजिटिव 6. ओके, नाउ f 10 will go opposite side in the division, so 6 will divided by 10. Okay, 6 will divided by 10. So its answer will come, f value will come 0.6. This is the answer. So here we completed our exercise and this is the solution of 10th one. I hope you enjoyed it. If any problem is there, any doubt is there, so you can ask in comment section or my student can ask me directly on the group. Thank you. Have a nice day.